Hello, here you have our Eagle 710L high-speed arch strapping machine. This machine is configured with a 33-inch wide by 20-inch tall arch. Other sizes are available. We offer it in two different strap size variations, the first of which is 5 or 6 mil, otherwise known as 1/4 inch, or 9 millimeter, otherwise known as 3/8. We're going to show you how the machine operates. For basic operation, you have two ways to control it, one of which is using the foot bar pedal or the green button on the LCD readout display. Anytime the foot bar or the green button is pressed, the machine will strap the carton. This machine is fast and will do 65 straps per minute. I'll show you how quick the machine is here. Go ahead. On your LCD readout display, you have the ability to control your tension, basically on or off, and then you can adjust how high of tension you would like to have. The second way to operate the machine is through the photo eye, which is built into the tabletop. You have a control panel, so if the machine is placed to number 1, anytime the carton or object is placed over the photo eye, the machine will put a strap around the carton. It will not strap until it is removed and placed over the photo eye sensor. With the machine placed to the end position, it uses the built-in timers. This is great for mail trays or objects where you might need to put multiple straps onto the machine. All of which is adjustable. The machine also has a built-in auto loop ejector feature, so if you were to miss the object you were hoping to strap, it auto ejects that loop. Thank you.